Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. In this video, I am going to solve question number 7 of exercise 10A. In the figure, angle PQS and angle QSR equals to 90 degree. The point present in the middle is our 90 degree. So, you can see the point Q has a 90 degree angle and the point S also has a 90 degree angle. Given that PQ equals to 45 centimeter, QR equals to 30 centimeter and PS equals to 53 centimeters, find the length of, first we have to find the length of QS and second we have to find the length of SR. So we have to consider these two triangles individually. For part 1, we have to consider this PQS, this triangle PQS. So I am starting solution for part 1. In part 1, we have to make data first. So I am making data of part 1. We have to write side PQ, that is PQ equals to 45 centimeter and PS is given as 53 centimeters, while we have to find this QS. Okay, we have to find QS. The side opposite to the 90 degree angle is PS, that is PS is our hypotenuse, and you can take PQ and QS as perpendicular and base. So I am taking this PQ as perpendicular and QS as base. So starting solution. In solution, we have to apply the Pythagoras theorem. I got h square equals to p square plus b square. So we have to find b here. So I am transforming this formula into this. B square is equals to h square minus p square. I am putting the value of b, h and p. So b is qs square, h square is 53 square and minus 45 square. So I have to square these values with the help of calculator. When I square this 53, I got 2809, and when I square this 45, I got 2025. Subtract 2025 from 2809 and I got 784. This is equals to QS square. For removing this square on QS, take root on both sides. When I take root on both sides, QS square root and 784 root. So our QS equals to 28 centimeter. Now I am starting the second part of question number 7 with data. Okay. Here we have, in second part we have to consider this QSR. QS is already known in first part, that is 28 centimeter. QR is given as 30 centimeter. We have to find this SR. Making its data first. I have calculated this QS equals to 28 centimeters. And QR is already given in the question, that is 30 centimeters. We have to calculate this SR this time. According to figure, the side opposite to the 90 degree angle is QR, that is our hypotenuse. This will be our hypotenuse and this is our perpendicular and this is our base. So I am starting solution. By applying Pythagoras theorem, we have h square equals to p square plus b square, and when we have to find this b square, we can write b square equals to h square minus p square. Now I am putting the value of b, h and p here. So b is SR square, h is 30 square and minus 28 square. SR square, 30 square means you have to square this 3 3s are 9 and double the zeros. Okay, this is the easiest method of taking square of number with zeros. And minus 28 square is 784. Subtract 784 from 900. I got 116 here. Take root on both sides. Put a root on SR square and also put a root on 116. When I take root of 116, I got 10.8 centimeters. So SR equals to 10.8 centimeter. This is the answer for part 2 of question number 7. Now I am solving question number 8. The figure shown an isosceles triangle. What is the property of isosceles triangle? That two of its sides are equal. Okay, so this is the symbol of equal. When you see this symbol, it means these two sides are equal in length. Triangle TUV, where TU and TB equals to 9.6 centimeter. TU is 9.6 centimeter and TV is also 9.6 meters. Sorry, it's not in centimeter, it's in meter. And UV equals to 15.4 meters. This side UV is given as 15.4 meter. Find the height TH of the triangle. You have to find this height TH of the triangle. So you can consider any of the triangle, that is THU and THV. You can consider any of the triangle. I am considering this triangle THU. I am considering this triangle. So I am making its data first. Consider triangle THU. Okay, here we have side TU is given as 9.6 meter and TH, we have to find TH here, and UH, this whole side is given as UV is given as 15.4. So it means UV and UH is 15.4 divided by 2, and this HV is also 15.4 divided by 2. So I am taking this UH as 15.4 divided by 2, that is 7.7 meters. Okay. Now mark the hypotenuse, base and perpendicular. This is 90-degree angle. So this side, this TU side is our hypotenuse. This is our hypotenuse, and this UH side can be taken as base, and we have to find the perpendicular this time. Okay, so I am starting its solution by applying Pythagoras theorem. H square equals to P square plus B square. This time we have to find P square, so we can write H square minus B square is equals to P square, and we can flip these two sides as P square equals to H square minus B square. So I am putting the value of P, H and B here. P equals to TH square. H square means 9.6 square and minus B square means 7.7 square. Now I am squaring these two sides. So I will get, when I square this 9.6, I got 92.16. When I square this 7.7, I got for 59.29. Subtract 59.29 from 92.16, I got 32.87, that is equals to th square. Take root on both sides. Put a root on th square and also put a root on 32.87. th equals to 5.73 meters. So this is our required answer. Now I am solving question number 9 for you. Find the value of the unknown in each of the following figures. You have one unknown side that you have to find in all the part of question number 9. In this part A, we have to find side A, that is unknown for us. So we have to find side A. First we have to make its data. So I am giving a name to it. This is A, B, C and this is D. Okay. Now according to this figure, side AB is 34 centimeter and side BD is 30 centimeter. Okay, for finding side A is unknown for us, but we cannot directly find this side A. First we have to find this AD side so that we will be able to find this A side. So first I have to find this AD side, and this symbol shows that AD side is equals to ADC side. According to figure, AD side is equal to AC side, that is unknown for us. So first I have to find this AD side by applying Pythagoras theorem. In this figure, this is the 90-degree angle, so side AB is our hypotenuse and this is our base, and we have to find this AD side that is perpendicular for us. So I am consider triangle ABD. In ABD, H is 34 square, P square is unknown for us, so AD square and plus 30 square. Okay, for finding AD square, I am moving this 30 square on the other hand side. 34 square minus 30 square equals to AD square, and I am flipping these two sides. AD square equals to 34 square minus 30 square. Okay. When I square this 34, I got 1156. When I square this 30, I got 900. Subtract 900 from 1156, I got AD square equals to 256. Take root on both sides, put a root on AD square and put a root on 256. When I take square root of 256, I got 16 centimeter. Now I have to consider this second triangle ADC. Okay, in triangle ADC we have to find this side that is opposite to the right angle. So this will be our hypotenuse and this is A centimeter. Okay, now I am making data for this triangle. Consider triangle ADC. In triangle ADC, AD is 16 centimeter as we calculated, and AD and CD are equal, so CD will also be 16 centimeter. We have to find this A centimeter, that is our hypotenuse. We can take either side as perpendicular and base. Now I am applying Pythagoras theorem on it. So H square equals to P square plus B square. We have to find H this time. I am putting the value of H, P and B. So H is A square, P is 16 square plus 16 square. So A square is equals to 256 plus 256. So A square equals to 2. For removing this square, take root on both sides. So I am taking root on A square and taking root on 512. When I take square root of this, I got A equals to 22.64 centimeters. So this is our required answer.